show y'all a redneck valve job here. Alright, y'all can see it spinning. Well, it's because it's down. Hear that cupping sound? That's what I'm going to call it, a cupping sound. Not really. It's the valve seating. When you pull it, you know, it's spinning, it's down. When you pull that valve up, you can't even spin it. It's because it's seating really good. That's my redneck valve job. I was going to lap these in, but man, this head's in pretty good shape. So, there it is. Okay, alright, so here's my deal. I get sent 16 retainers, 16 seats, 16 springs, and I hope I have 32 keepers. But I only get sent 14 of the exhaust or the valve seals. Awesome. So 2 valve seals are going to keep me from getting these things knocked out. But Summit said they're going to send them my way, so I guess we'll see if they're good on their word or not. What's up, guys? Just wanted to give y'all a little quick update. I didn't want to bore you with all the swapping valve springs. I changed valve seals, which I'll tell you in this video, but Summit missed, man. They never missed, but they did this time. They only sent me 14 valve seals. So, waiting on them to come in. I'll pop the springs back off, put them on real quick. Waiting on my camshaft to show up. And then I'll put this thing back together pretty quick. I've got everything cleaned up, new gaskets, painted the valve covers, new gaskets, new dual valve springs from Summit that are good for 600 lift. Painted up all the accessory stuff, and I added a pulley in here that we'll talk about later for belt routing for the new supercharger. Cleaned all the push rods, all the lifters, everything looked good. I have the lifter soaking right now, valley cover. I'm deleting the knock sensors, of course. Man, painted everything, new front seal, painted up the oil pan. I have LS9 head gaskets, the MLS stuff. I have a new cam retainer plate for the front of the cam. I always do that. If you've ever taken one off, they're almost 99% of the time flat every time. The seal's bad. So, anyways, man, I just was kind of chilling. Figured I would give you an update, and I'm trying to get better with my video stuff. Kind of making it a little cinematic. Maybe it'll keep y'all watching a little longer. I don't know. Anyways, I have the engine painted. I have it cleaned up just somewhat, you know. But engine's gonna be black. Just a super clean, nothing fancy kind of deal. And I'll run y'all through over here. That's the cylinder heads. I have the 862s. The dual valve springs. All new gaskets, as you can tell. All this is painted up nice and neat. I'm adding this. That'll be for the supercharger later on. But like I said, I'm about ready to throw this thing together. So we'll get her put together and have a good time.